It's just a part two of me using a grunt voice. I don't know why I'm going with this sound, but okay, we'll just continue.
It's one of my small shocking friends. We're not short. We're fearless warriors. One controlling all. This is appropriate. If I'm smart, this is not appropriate. Now what? We go. Here? I'm just controlling that. Green, do you know where I go now?
Good to see you, Mr. Things are still one of the best.
Isn't that Master Chief? Green Demon hat? He has a fluffy love story with her, and also she's hanging up me. Then what? Your Green Demon fell in love with the YEha. I realized that Spartan was drafted to world at the age of 6. This sucks. I'm not gonna skip. There we are. Yeah. I'm not sure. We'll have to keep up the fluffy love story with a small ink-eye. That's really strange, cause I know that a gunboy. For sure, I don't know what to say. Snuck in, fine. Something mental inside of him. Alright, what do I do now since I'm alone? That's another cat! That's awesome! Humans can also be dumb! For sure! No! I'm gonna tell my friends! I'm sorry! How do I reload? Oh, now I see. Oh, this is course all rifle stuff. Whatever. Sure! What now? I don't know why. just stick me up. What you did to me once, but I got revived again. I'm sorry, friends, but I don't know what else to say. I know I'm an expert. Oh. What? Yeah, I'm not an expert. Yeah, for sure. Isn't this the store that the green demon used to kill, one-shot one of the hunters? For sure, he's strong. I'm sorry, my friends. I'm sorry. I just don't know what to say. After I used my special diamond.
Man, I love acting like a grunt. It just makes me feel so good.
I'm sorry. What now? I guess you said better. I'm sorry. Ow! Where's that for? Why? Stop shooting! Just stop shooting! Okay, bye. Just stop! Alright, I'm gonna leave you.
I don't know if I just sound like a tool or something like that. I'm not sure. There's different type of gun sounds. I'm ones out there like dope grunt and stuff. But now, where do I go?
I'm sure give you like 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Just let something happen. Alright, go! This is appropriate size for me. Sorry! Sorry! I don't know what I'll do. Isn't this the one that used to? That sounded so good, Sherlock. Explain why you did that a lot. You want to be here.
So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right in it's an interview.
Oh shoot! Maybe not. I think I'm using my for today.